Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 4 of my formal nail art series. So you've got an event to go to and maybe you aren't able to book a nail appointment in time, or maybe your nails just completely slipped your mind. In any case, this design would be perfect for you because it is so quick and easy to do. Anyways, let's get on into the video. As always, I'm going to start off by applying a layer of base coat to all of my nails. Next, I'm going to apply 2 coats of Harley Gardens by Nails Inc. I think this is a beautiful neutral polish and I think it'll go well with most skin tones. Since I'm going to be sponging glitter near my cuticle, I'm going to apply Edge Perfection Easy Peel Polish Barrier all around my nail. In order to create the gradient effect, I'm going to use a little piece of a makeup sponge with some glitter polish on it and concentrate the glitter near my cuticle. I'm going to try to avoid getting any glitter on the third of my nail closest to my free edge. To bring it all together, I'm going to use the polish brush and drag some of that glitter starting from my cuticle towards the middle of my nail. Then I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to remove the Edge Perfection polish barrier. And to finish it all off, I'm going to apply a layer of fast drying top coat. And you're done! Here's the finished design for the super quick and easy reverse glitter gradient. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. And if you missed my last video, or you want to see the other videos in this series, you can check those out by clicking your screen or the links in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!